What's up YouTube? This is Mohammad Badruddin and today we are going to solve lab number 5 from file upload vulnerability module, that is server side topic in Web Security Academy. So in the previous lab we actually see how we can leverage the misconfiguration or default configuration of Apache server, and this lab is going to be a bit different from that. So before going to the lab, this warning as always for you. This video and its content are only for educational purpose and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That being said, let's go to the lab. So web shell upload via obfuscate file extension. So this time what is going to be happen, I'm going to tell you that developer make a blacklist or they can make a whitelist, and they actually going to filter any input or any request from the client end, and it is going to be filtered with the match with the blacklist or whitelist content. Okay, so anything that is in the blacklist is not going to be processed and anything in the whitelist is going to be processed. So you can create you can filter with blacklist, or you can create a whitelist and you can match the request input, right? So to solve the lab, upload a basic PHP web shell, then use it to exfiltrate the content of this secret file, submit this secret. As always, there is a submit button and we have to submit the content of the secret file there. And we have a valid user credential, Wiener and Peter. So let's go and start it. So WIENER Wiener and the password is Peter. Hit enter. We are logged in. Now I'm going to capture all the requests with the Burp Suite. So I'm going to browse the image and let's first upload the actual image. So uploaded and has been uploaded. Very good. If we go back, so we will see the image is there. Okay. Now if we try something else like shell.php, which we created in the from the previous lab. You can also change here. Actually, I'm exfiltrating the content of this secret file via cat command. If you want to use include or get file content, something like that, or any other function, you can also use it. Okay, so but the purpose is actually to exfiltrate the content of this file. So the process or the methodology can be anything. Functions can be any function which can exfiltrate the content, but there are different ways. Just that's it. Okay, so shell.php, okay, we already added here. Just upload it, and as expected, only JPG and PNG files are allowed, and we cannot upload PHP file. Fine. So go here to the request, and this is the post request. Send this request to the repeater. Go to the repeater. So as you can see here, file name is shell.php and content type is application/xphp. It means this content type is not allowed, or any extension with .php or except the .jpg and png, anything is not allowed to upload. Fine. So there are a bunch of ways you can actually use. Like suppose I say shell.php cannot be uploaded, right? So this is in the blacklist. You can say like this. This is the extension, and this is gonna be, so any extension in this file is not gonna allow. Let's say .php is not allowed, and we can do a few things to bypass this or to trick the server. Sometimes what happened, we can use case sensitive things, like we can use PHP like this, or we can use .p H and P, something like this. You can also use PHP, sorry, PHP like this, okay, or you can also use like PHP, something like this. There are a bunch of ways you can try. We can also use like .php and then a null byte and then .jpg. Okay, so because it will see, okay, this is the final extension, it say, okay, this is the jpg, so it is going to upload it, but actually this is not going to be effective. Okay, okay, so go back to the repeater. First let's try, this is the php, so I'm going to say .jpg. Okay, send, and it is uploaded, but let's see it can be executed or not. So view image, and yeah, I think it's working. This error is coming because the application expecting jpg file, but file is actually not jpg, it is php file. So go to the bug proxy, go to the proxy, come here and try. So as you can see, uh, it is showing the content of the file as it is. So it means that the PHP file is not executed. But let's try this. What about if we delete JPG and just, okay. So it is saying that this kind of file or this file is actually not on the server. Okay, go back to the repeater and try something else. So this time I am going to use the null byte. So, okay, everything is fine, just send the request. Again, you can see the file is uploaded. So the purpose is actually before what we try is also uploaded. So we actually bypassed the restriction in our first attempt, but we cannot execute the PHP file. The motive is to execute the PHP file. So go back and refresh once. Just right click, view the image, and again, yeah, that works. Okay, so you got the content. Many things are there. There are many ways. You are just limited to your imagination. How much better you imagine to actually bypass this, you can do that. So I hope you like the content, but before going to pack up, just want to show you whether we got the correct result or not. So paste it here, okay, and we solve the lab. See you in the next video. Bye.